5, 6, take a knee, front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, change sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee bend to the side. Back roll, groin and hammy now. 1, alternate. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's sit upright, hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, rotations. 1, 2, 3, change direction. 1, 2, 3, other side. 1, 3, Pelembe. 4, don't cram on our tummy. 3, 4, let's come to side chains. Okay, high knees on the ball, sideways, high knees sideways. You join that cue, one touch. There on the orange, the yellow that side, open groin, 1, 2, 3, 4. You join the cue. Let's try not to have a cue, let it flow, let it flow. Chains. The last 4 minutes, then I want a short acceleration. Yeah, they don't see it, but it's your endurance. Yeah, working on footwork. So the most important thing is to focus on the drills. Offense, takam. Flash. How sharp, coach? Touch and go on the drill. Touch and go on the drill. Touch and go, touch and go. Join up more, yes, so that we balance the number. Let's go. Sharp. Bye. Much better. When we come 2-1.
Yeah, boy.
First leg top, see coach, 2-1. 1-0. Coach CV. Yes. Calm boys, let's not ruin it.
Did you eat, bro?
Change of pace.